My name is Sarah, and I'm a floral designer here at Bloom the Flower Company in Toronto. I create designs and compositions with flowers and greens and plants in the forms of bouquets and arrangements and corsages and boutonnieres. These can be in containers or in glass or hanging on the wall. And in the cases of corsages and boutonnieres, they're worn on the body. I attended a school called the Canadian Institute of Floral Design, and it's the only private career college in Ontario that trains people who are interested in entering the flower industry professionally. The program lasted 105 hours, and it included classroom training, lectures, demonstrations, of course on-hand designing, and it even included field trips. And it was one of the best classroom experiences I've ever had. Some of my typical day-to-day duties would include receiving and processing the fresh flowers and greens, and of course assisting customers and clients both in person and over the phone with whatever orders they might like to give us. It's important to remember that being a floral designer has physical challenges sometimes. We're often on our feet for most of the day while doing our designing. Working as a floral designer, we are working in the retail industry. So we're working with customers and clients on a daily basis, and it's important to fulfill their needs and wishes. Oftentimes, there's a great deal of emotion attached to the flower order that they're placing because they might be celebrating or marking a certain important event in their life. So it's important to make them happy. So as long as people are continuing to celebrate these important life events, as long as there are weddings and funerals and birthdays and Valentine's Day and Mother's Day, I think there will be a continued need and demand for people in this industry.